Hello everyone, in this video we are going to install the Xcode for the first time in my MacBook Pro in 4 Pro. So on the App Store we can open Xcode installer. Now it shows the size is 3.18 gigabyte, but after I download it, inside of it I have to download these images for simulators and so forth. Alright, the Xcode got downloaded, so I'm going to open it now. Yes, we need to agree. Then you have a password Mac. Now transfer to download this file for the simulator. It's almost near to 10 gigabytes. Yes, then we have to download this predictive port completion model that actually helps with the AI. Okay, then we can download and install and go ahead and create our project for the first time. Okay, thank you so much.